Good morning, everybody. Today we have to discuss infrastructure in the budget 2024-25. The interim budget has been presented on the 1st of February, and in this interim budget, the major emphasis has been given on infrastructure, and there is need of the huge amount of investment of the capital. Therefore, this budget is called investment led growth. What is the meaning of the investment led growth? It means that investment has a major role to increase the growth rate of the economy. Why this importance has been given in the budget? What are the reasons? What government wants to do? As you know, through budget, the government implements its fiscal policy. Budget is also called demand management policy. Then what is the objective of this huge investment? First, you see how much it is. In this budget 2024-25, the government is going to invest 11,11,111 crore rupees for infrastructure, and this is 3.4% of the GDP. This amount is 3.4% of the GDP. You see such a huge amount. How much this is increase? This is increased by 11.1% from the last year budget, and out of this, out of the total expenditure of the budget, it is 23.3%. You see how much money is going to be spent for infrastructure. Now, why the government is giving more importance of this? The reason is we have to achieve the 5%. We have to achieve the high level of growth rate of the economy. Our economy is right now at the 5th place on the world scale, and we have to reach at the 3rd place on the world scale. And altogether, our economy has to be transformed as a 5 trillion economy by 2026-27. This is our target, and this target can be achieved only if we have world class or very high class infrastructure. Okay, that's why the more investment is going to be made in the budget, and that's why this budget is called investment led growth. Then what will happen here? The government has projected 3 economic corridor. Economic corridor. Three economic corridors. These corridors are like, first, that is cement, mineral, and energy. Energy corridor. This is all together is called energy corridor. Energy economic corridor. The second one is that is a port connectivity. Port connectivity corridor. and third is a high density traffic corridor. Now you see here, in this fiscal through interim budget, we have to construct first cement, mineral and energy corridor, second port connectivity corridor and high density traffic corridor. All these three will play a vital role in economic development. This will give along with this, already we have two corridors, that is eastern dedicated freight corridor and western dedicated freight corridor. This already we had two corridors, eastern dedicated freight corridor and western dedicated freight corridor. This eastern, this is completed and this is operational, and western dedicated freight corridor, most part of this commissioned, and all together to this corridor plus three other corridors, all together we will have 5 corridors. This will boost our economy. Now, what is benefit of this? If this all corridor will be constructed, then our benefit is or advantage is first advantage is reducing the tariff cost, First benefit is it will help to reduce the tariff cost, that will become more and more cheaper. It will create employment opportunities. Employment opportunities. Third, reduce traffic log jam. Fourth, reduce turnaround time. Okay. These are the benefit. Turnaround time is called when the ships comes on the port. In India, the loading and unloading from the ships, it takes lot of times, that is 5 to 6 days, where in Singapore it is only 1 day. When this will be completed, then the turnaround time will be only 2 to 3 days. This will boost our economy. That's why more focus is being given on this. And this eastern dedicated freight corridor, it is completed. the government is all traffic is going on this corridor, and this the distance of this corridor is kilometers. And this corridor passes from the through the states of Punjab, Haryana, UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, and West Bengal. Okay. The western dedicated freight corridor, the distance of this western dedicated freight corridor is that is 1506 kilometer. 1506 kilometer, and is passed through the states of Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Maharashtra. The construction of this corridor in the budget 2024-25, 3 corridor, that is economic energy corridor, port connectivity corridor, and high traffic density corridor. These all 3 will be constructed under an umbrella scheme that is called Gati Shakti. Gati Shakti. Gati Shakti. This Gati Shakti scheme was launched in budget 2021-22. Now most of the infrastructure works in our country is being constructed, or all have been taken under the one scheme that is called Gati Shakti. And this scheme is implemented through the 16 ministry of the Government of India. So through this Gati Shakti, all this corridor will be constructed. Once this corridor is constructed, this will boost our economy and this will increase fast economic growth and development. Okay, right? This is one topic. Next topic we shall discuss in the second class.